Did you know? This big, scared orange cat is actually a Siberian tiger. That's because it's about to get a shot right now. When they're little, Siberian tigers are super cute. They look rounder than other tiger species due to the need for fat reserves. When they zone out, they're just like an enlarged cat. But as the world's largest feline, they can stand up to 3 meters tall and weigh as much as 500 pounds. In cold regions, their huge bodies help conserve heat, making them incredibly resistant to cold. In Siberia, where temperatures can drop as low as -20 degrees Celsius, they can play in the snow without fearing the cold at all. Because of scarce food resources, these creatures usually live alone. Their hunting territories can span up to 500 miles. Tiger moms take care of their cubs for up to 2 years, after which the cubs must go out on their own.